As the MD of the Priority Group, how do you feel today when you're reaching to such success? How is the entire journey, sir? Can you just brief us about that?
Today, good evening everyone. Today is actually the opening of our branch here in Margao. Though we have had this for some time, but as you know, Skoda has redone its entire look and feel of the showroom, which was not updated here in Margao. So today we have done it, and we have also launched our new product, the automatic 1 liter TSI from Rapid. This car comes with a host of new technologies, and it comes with a torque converter 6-speed gearbox. It also comes with a better engine, which is the 1 liter TSI. The TSI engine is one of the most technologically advanced engines in the world. It's a turbo stratified injection, which is one of the best technologies acclaimed in the world. So you're getting a host of new features, even something like hill hold and traction control along with this car, which is one of the first in the segments. As you asked me, journey for Priority has been fantastic. We started in 2009, of course with Skoda. With Skoda we have completed 10 years last year, so we are in the 11th year now. And Skoda has been a fabulous journey. The products are beautiful. The cars, as you know, are one of the safest cars in the world. Skoda has changed over time to produce more mass market cars and much technologically advanced cars. So the world's technology is brought to India by the Volkswagen Group, and Skoda being part of it. We are getting one of the best technologies and safest cars in India. We also have our Honda two-wheelers, Renault, which has the Triber, which is doing really well. The Kwid, as you know, has always been a success from the time it was launched. And we also have the MG Hector, which has done a wonderful job from the time it has been launched. Soon to be upcoming will be the MG Gloster, which is a bigger SUV, a more technologically advanced SUV. What we are understanding is that it might be priced somewhere between 35 to 40 lakhs in competition with Fortuner and Endeavour. And of course, it's coming with a lot of new features. As you would always know from MG, you would expect something which is new. So we are coming up with the first L1 autonomous driving systems in the car, which is one of the first in India. For us, Priority, yes, with Corona and everything, we have had a little bit of a bump, but the thing is, we are a very strong group and we have a very strong team, and we bounce back very fast. And that is one of the core fortes of our group. We restructured ourselves, we ensured that we were very focused and very streamlined in what we were doing. And today we are back. Our sales numbers have come to almost 80% of our pre-COVID levels. So I think soon we'll be back on our normal sales figures and service figures. And of course, we are taking all the precautions for our customers so that they are safe. When they come here, our cars are sanitized, our showrooms are timely sanitized. Our employees take utmost care, whether in sales or in service, to ensure that customers are safe and they are taken care of. Even when our cars are delivered, whether in sales or service, they are taken care of so that they are completely disinfected. Yes, it's been a fight, but I would say it's been a joyous journey. And I think from here, it's only that we look forward, that we grow bigger and stronger, and we can serve the people of Goa. Thank you.